and I would like to just take some questions if you have from my personal, from your personal. I would be happy to entertain. Question from this side. Girls, you also prepare questions, and yeah, of course.
What should we consider when choosing a career?
What you should consider when choosing a career? You are saying like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you
So,
understanding?
yes, of course. This question, that's a very great question because most of the things I can't like tell. So that some questions comes from the question kind of thing. So while choosing a career, you have to just rethink in you. You have to, there are many saying no in the world कि you do something which you like the most. Okay, suppose बोलते हैं कि अगर लता मंगेशकर को आईएएस बनाने चले जाओ तो वो क्या सिंगर बनती क्या? नहीं बनती. उसी तरीके का चीज़ है. सपोज आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग फॉर मे बी बिहार and when I grew up, so I grew up in a certain kind of family कि we did not have that much money, पैसा ही नहीं था, हमेशा चिक people are going outside for working and don't have that kind of job, always दुकान पे without any Sunday you have to work. So I got certain kind of interest in the area of migration. People migrate, employment, labor. So I always thought that कि मुझे ना इस पे काम करना है. मुझे ना I want to just work on the plight of Bihar. तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि people are migrating outside for education, outside for job, outside for medical thing. So what can I do? What can I do for the people? कि I can't change. एक बार में मैं कुछ बदल नहीं सकता. That's why I thought कि no, something I will pick and I can work in that area. So I will just say that. I'll say that is why after masters I was like literally bit unemployed. You would say that after masters I did not know what to do next because I did the masters in political science. I changed my stream from science to political science because I have told you because I could not clear engineering. Then what to do like? Of course you can't end your life. There are many opportunities to do something. Look, without engineering I am going somewhere many places. So you can't end your life. So you have to do something.
Firstly, I can say that sir, your motivation speak very great, and after listening, I am feeling very great. My question is, your speech add one topic, beginner time, very difficult time.
Every beginner
is very difficult time. Which type of work to not do in student life, especially learning English language, because I belong to rural area. In rural area, I have no knowledge of English. So, what your thought about which type of work not do in student life?
I will try to answer this question from my own capacity. So I would just say this one thing. I will not talk on what you should not do, but I will talk on particular thing what you should do. Okay, because there are many things you can do, and it's all about timing. So suppose I went to visit Simla, okay, but I don't have money right now. I have an exam around the corner, but I will not go there. Maybe after the exam, maybe after job, I will go to Simla. But taking a loan at this point of time, going to Simla, is that a good decision? Tell me, not no. अभी किसी से पैसा लेके शिमला तो जाना अच्छा नहीं है. तो currently if you just want to do something, understand the context, in which context you are going to do that. Okay, so of course I will go to Simla, but not now. Of course I will do things, but maybe after a certain point of time. So it depends upon the context. So as you are a student, of course I tell you, set the priority, understand what you have to manage and what not. Anything led to reveal this. इसको हानि नहीं पहुंचाना है प्रायोरिटी को. You have to just prioritize yourself. You have to come here. You have to study. You have to discipline yourself. And that is the thing of, that is the meaning of discipline. It's not like that कि discipline में एकदम चुप रहना है खड़ूस की तरह. नहीं. You can also go to like talk to friends. You can also talk to your family members. Again what? It should be like a cycle. It should not be like a just you can't be unhappy. Sorry, you can't be happy. You also be unhappy and चुपचाप रहना है. ऐसा नहीं. English के लिए I would say that कि of course suppose you are learning here, there are other things because you are here only for an hour if I am not wrong. So after that depends upon what you are doing next. घर पे क्या कर रहे हो, पूरा दिन क्या कर रहे हो, that depends. So maybe for vocabulary and all you read the newspaper, English newspaper, Hindu or Indian Express, whatsoever you are getting, another newspaper, listen some kind of debates in English. इंग्लिश में न्यूज़ आते हैं, डिबेट्स आते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु लाइक्स टू वॉच मूवीज़, तो इंग्लिश मूवीज़ देखो सबटाइटल के साथ. From that you will understand the particular language, particular vocabulary, particular accent. So these are the things you have to just keep doing. ऐसा नहीं कि okay today I am just listening Anand's interaction today. Now to onwards आज तो पूरा इंग्लिश ही पढ़ना है दिन भर. आज साइंस नहीं पढ़ूंगा, केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ूंगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. चाहे सोशल साइंस नहीं पढ़ूंगा, ऐसा नहीं. Just keep in your schedule for longer time. And then 1% करके you will just see the growth. So that I would say that you have to also plan your journey after the classroom, how you are utilizing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's spoken that means you are preparing to achieve your goal. Then while preparing you can get failure as well. Then when you are preparing to achieve your goal, that time after getting failure, what are you remembering and what you thinking that what I have to do and what I have to not do, and after that what you have learned after got failure.
Good. This is like if you get failure, of course, when you just walk, you of course get failure because we don't know. We just only what we do, what is there in our hand. Tell me, that is try. We just keep trying. हम try करते हैं with our own effort. और without studying, I can't go to give a board exam. Of course, we have to study and then give a try. So first you just confirm from yourself कि are you honestly working? क्योंकि धोखा तो दुनिया को दे दोगे, तुम खुद को धोखा नहीं दे सकते. If you are hollow from inside, then तो nothing can be happen. So first of all, ask the one question कि am I doing this thing from my heart? क्या मुझे करने का ये मन है? And मन है तो just go. And if there will be problem, of course, if you just walk on the way, there will be problem. Problem आएगा, just you have to just tackle, keep yourself, keep always when you just feel demotivated or something कि अब नहीं हो रहा है, just want to just leave it. Always remember your aspiration कि why did you start? क्यों start किया था? You wanted to do something, and then from that thing you just keep moving on. First, second thing was the failure. So failure आएगा, just learn from the failure. Why did it come? Sometimes people try, but people don't get. It's also sometimes kids just trying and I'm not getting, it's okay. Because there are other things that is working behind. Okay, suppose I'm going to somewhere and पिछले साल 10 फंडिंग थी कहीं जाने के लिए, पता चला कि फंडिंग 5 हो गई है. I applied, I could not get it. It's okay, no problem. But I'm happy that I applied. And even in the applying, even in the working, you get the learning after the process. You don't reach the Mount Everest, but through the process you just learn many things. Even though you get a failure, cry 2-3 minutes, 1 day, 2 days, roll, move on, आगे बढ़ो. Simple funda. That I would say.
I wanted to talk to you, sir. I'm very relating to you because I also want to be a professor and want to do PhD from foreign country, and I want to know what kind of can you give me some solution and some
Some tips.
some tips.
Good. Maybe using me to be here, how to do PhD. That's a great. Okay. So you are at what stage? Did you do your masters or?
I'm completing my graduation and I'm looking for admission in master's.
Okay. So whatsoever your subject would be, so first step is to complete your masters. So if you have aspiration to go do a master or PhD from abroad, first you have to do masters. So you can also try for masters abroad. So for masters, otherwise you can also do master from India, then PhD from abroad. This you can do.
I qualified a CUET exam. I'm looking for admission from Central University. So maybe I will get Mahatma Gandhi Central University. After that, how I do PhD.
Okay, that's great. So that place is really good, Mahatma Gandhi Central University. And there will be other faculties and professors there also to guide you after your masters. But I'm just telling you, cutting the long story short, and is that when you are in the masters, then you develop a research area. In which area you want to work, कहाँ पे काम करना है. Then you make a proposal. Proposal means you have to tell, okay, this is the things that has been done. ये research हो चुका है दुनिया में already. Or yes, there is a one thing, there is a gap on which I want to work. And it should not be like a gap is this deep. Gap should be like this. That gap should be this also. I want to work on this. This is a PhD. So you have to just find a gap and tell your professor or make a proposal. You want to do this point, and from that proposal you will apply something with the US university. You just mail to professors first, then they will get back to you, then they will refine your proposal, and on that you also need a letter of recommendation. So when you apply for any university, you need a letter of recommendation from faculties. So you have to also keep in mind कि letter of recommendation मिल जाए, then you make proposal, then you apply. So as you just move on, you will also learn a lot. There are other resources also on YouTube and all. You can learn. I would say that at this point of time, I would say this.
Okay, thank you.